In this problem, they tell us that 32 athletes were surveyed about the sports they played. Each student played at least one of football, basketball, and hockey. 19 of the athletes played basketball, 22 athletes played football, 7 athletes played both football and hockey, 11 played football and basketball, 9 played basketball and hockey, and 4 athletes played all 3 sports. Determine how many athletes played only hockey. So what this is this is a Venn diagram with 3 circles. And so, football, basketball, hockey. And the way we work out a Venn diagram like this is we start from the inside and work outwards. So we know that 4 athletes play all 3 sports, so that goes right there. So then it says 9 athletes played basketball and hockey. So that means 9 belong in this region. Well, 4 are already accounted for, so that means there are 5 more who play basketball and hockey but don't play football. So now working backwards, 11 athletes played football and basketball. So that means 11 go in this region. 4 are already accounted for, so that means there are 7 in that region. 7 athletes play both football and hockey. So that means 7 go here. 4 already accounted for, so that means there has to be 3. Working backwards, 22 athletes played football. So that means 22 have to be in this entire region. So, if I take 22 and subtract 7 and 4 and 3, that gives me 8 that just played football. Then 19 athletes played basketball, so 19 belongs in this entire region. So that's 19 minus 7 minus 4 minus 5. That gives me 3. So the only thing that's left is this region, which is what we want to find. Now, the first piece of information is the last we're going to use. It says 32 athletes were surveyed. All of these numbers, including this, have to add up to 32. So, to get our answer, we're going to take 32 and subtract each of these numbers. Subtract 8, 7, 4, 3, 5, 3. And so, our final answer is 2. And we're done.